Okay, students. So yesterday we discussed about quantum numbers, but we could not complete yesterday. So I think spin quantum number was remaining, and today I will summarize and then I will move to spin quantum number. Okay. So let us see. And what I taught yesterday. Understood? All of you understood what I taught yesterday? Yes or no? If some students have confusion, just tell me once more. I am going to revise it. Okay. So quantum number we are discussing here. Just I will summarize it and we will move to final means quantum number. This is spin quantum number. Yes. So some of you have doubt about that. Just if you have, without any hesitation, you can say, sir, yes, I have doubt. So I will focus on that little more. Where you have confusion or where you have doubt. Okay. If you don't have doubt, I can proceed it. Okay. So what we discussed, just all of you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us begin the quantum number. Yesterday we discussed quantum numbers gives detail about electrons. Quantum number give details about electrons. There are four type of quantum number: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. Means if we know all the values of quantum number, we can say where is the electron and what is the location of electron. Yes. So yesterday we discussed. So little I explained here. Briefly I will explain. Then I will do spin quantum number, and finally we will solve some questions here related to this quantum number. So let us see students here. Principal quantum number. Principal quantum number first, and it is denoted by n, and it shows cell. Just to get note it shows cell and size and energy of particle. Size, just 1 minute. Yeah, size and energy of particles. Energy of particles. Okay, this is here. And value of n never with zero. This word remember. Value of n never with zero. Here. This next is azimuthal quantum. Azimuthal quantum number. And it is showing subset. What is it? Subset. Subset. Okay. And it is sub energy level. Also sub energy level, energy level. It is. Okay. And it is denoted by L. It is denoted by L. And it may have value and is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. But all the values will be integer. Except first value, all values will be integer. And I wrote one more point there. If n value is given, we can calculate the value of n. So how we can calculate the value of L? One formula I gave you. You might be remembering it.
Yeah. 0 to n minus 1.
Here for n value, we can get the value 0 n minus 1 to integer. Got it? We have learned at 0 first value will be 0 for itself, and then we will separate one from that and we will get the values. This regard and third we discussed here. Third was the principal, third was the magnetic quantum. What is that? Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. And I told you this term as orientation of orbitals. I have already told you in orbitals we have seen in P, Px, Py, Pz, that may be orientation. in d dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square, dy minus y square and dz square. So like what is the orientation? Means how the electrons and where the electrons are there. Okay. So that's it. And here its value depends on value of L. Value of. So if we have the value of L, we can calculate the value of M. So for given value of L, any number has minus L to plus minus L. For any value of L, M has minus L to plus L. Like this, if just see here, if L equal to, then what will be the M value? M equal to, so M value will be plus 2, sorry, minus 2 to plus 2. It means we will do like this, just see here, minus 2 to plus 2. So what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. So we have to number. And I have given one more formula. How many values are possible for L values? So you might be remembering here, we have for 2 L plus 1 values. For L, if L value we know, then we can calculate how many values of that number is possible. Like this, if I write here, just see, you can see here also, just look, this side I am rotating here, just see, if I put L equal to, so how many M values are possible? Just look, see, what I wrote, 2L plus. So if I wrote 2 into 2 plus 1, what is 4 plus 1 equal 5. So through this we come to know how many values and how many values we got for N equal to, we can calculate from there. Just look here, just look here, for 2 we calculate to that formula. So we have 5 values. It may have 5 values. So here what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what idea you got? For a given value of L, first we can calculate how many values are possible, and automatically we can find the values. Okay. So next, so up to here we have this. Next is spin quantum number. What is that? Now next is last is spin quantum. Okay. So spin quantum number, it is here from the name only. It tells us spinning of electron in orbital. Spinning of electron in orbital means electron can spin or anything can spin in 2 ways. That may be clockwise or anti-radial. So it will be solved very soon. Otherwise, on Monday you have the offline classes, so you have to come in school and that will be informed. Okay. So just we were going to talk about the spin quantum number. What I told, a spin quantum number tell us the spinning of electron. Spinning of electron, like it is spinning clockwise or anti-clockwise. So spin quantum number tell us spinning of electron in the orbital. Okay. So here spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. Quantum number. Here. Spin quantum number. So here what we got, spin quantum number tell us about spinning of electron. Spin quantum number tell us about spinning of electron. So let us see here. How does it help us to know that? And first we will see about orbitals. Then through that we come to here. Here. So spin, we can write spin quantum number. Spin quantum number tells about spinning of electron. Spinning of electron. Okay. spinning of electron. Here. For each orbital, for each electron, we can say for each electron, it may just for each electron, each electron spin quantum number maybe plus minus half. Plus minus half means maybe plus value and maybe minus value. But when it will be plus and when it will be minus, that is the question. Many students want to know this. When it will be plus and when it will be minus. So just I am going to tell you, if electron is spinning clockwise, that time S value will be plus half. If electron is spinning clockwise, S value will be plus half. If electron is spinning anti-clockwise, the S value will be minus. So one more question is there. In which case we will say that is spinning in clockwise, and in which case it is spinning in anti-clockwise. Here confusion may be. So let me write here that I will give. If electron, we can write when electron spins clockwise, S value is plus half. While when electron is spinning anti-clockwise, while S value will be minus half. Just to see what an electron can have two, plus half or minus. But when it will have plus half, when electron is spin clockwise, it has plus half, and when electron is spin anti-clockwise, it has minus half. Got it? And when it is said to be plus half, in which case is said to be plus half, and in which case it's said to be minus half. And how to represent the electrons? So I have already told we mostly represent orbitals like this. Yes, I have already told orbitals for calculation purposes. Orbitals are represented like this. Not like that. Px, Py, Pz, Dxy, Dyz, Dzx, Dx square, D minus y square, and Dz. Like that can't be presented. So in that it would be difficult to select. Here we will represent the orbitals like this. So just to see, if electron is shown like this, it means it is spinning clockwise. It is spinning clockwise. For this value will be plus half. Got it? And if it is shown like this, so electron is spinning anti-clockwise, and in that case value of this will be minus half. So for each orbitals, there are two possibilities. For each orbital, electron may have what? Plus minus half. You remember it. For each orbital, it may have plus minus half. If electron is spinning in clockwise direction, that has plus half. If it is spinning here in minus half, it is anti-clockwise. So students, we got idea about the electron. we got idea about the electron. And this one is showing one orbital. This one is showing one orbital. In D, it will show, so there are 5 orbitals. So that we will discuss later. But remember, for each orbital, just want to see, for each orbital, the value of this, value of S may be plus or minus half. So for each electron, for each orbitals, the value of S may be plus half or minus half. If electron is spin clockwise, that is plus half. If electron is spin anti-clockwise, that is minus half. So here we have discussed our quantum number, and we are going to solve some examples related to this. So all of you understood this? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
So I will take some example here. So I think that will be more clear for you. So let me write some example. And for that, I will write one summarized rule. So first all of you note it. Then we will solve some numericals based on this. Okay. So let me write the rules here. Just from here. Just N, then L, then M, and then S. Just you can make like N, L, M, S. Yes. Just allow me. If we have N value, we can calculate N at 0, N minus 1. We will apply this formula. By using this formula, we can calculate L. Okay. If we have L, we can use the formula minus L plus L. This formula we use. Okay. Minus L to plus L. And for each value, just look at it. For each value of M, for each value of M, yes, have plus minus half. Just see each value. Look at the board. Each value of M shows orbital. Each value of M shows orbital, and I have already told you in each orbital, maximum 2 electrons can be filled of opposite spin. Of opposite spin in an orbital, maximum 2 electrons can be filled. So for each orbital, the spin quantum number may be plus half or minus half. So if we don't know, directly we show plus minus half. Got it? All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me write 2-3 examples will be given here. Okay. Then things will be clear. Let me adjust this. Okay. So just all of you see here. We can put percent, and simply percent is this. Find the all quantum number values when n equal 1. This is first question. Okay. So if you want, I'm going to just look, see here. Slowly we will move. First question. So what is just going to look at board, and if you have little doubt, please ask. If n equal 1, so what will be the value of L in this case? What will be the value of L in this case? Would you tell me? What will be?
0.
0. Here, just want to see 0. L value will be 0. And if this value is 0, so M value will be
0.
0 only. Yes, very good. And then S value will be
plus minus half.
Just want to see here. Look at board. Please look at board. Then it will be clear. N equal 1 means it is showing first cell. It is showing first cell. and L equal, just now you see L equals 0 means it is showing yes subcell. We have already written. I have already told you. If just now look here one more time, you can see if L value is 0, that shows S subcell. If L value is 1, that shows P. If L value is this, it shows D, and 3 it shows F. So just all of you see here, we can use this term. If L value is 0, so which subcell it is showing? Which subcell it is showing?
S.
S. So that shows SR, yes subcell. And in this association, if M value is 0 also, so it will show yes orbital. Yes orbital. And S orbital is of one type. Yes orbital is of one type. So in one orbital, how many electrons can be filled?
2.
2, and they may have value either plus half or
Minus half.
minus half. So I wrote this. Understood first one?
Yes, sir.
And just want to see. And each value means I can write like this also. If you have confusion here, plus half and minus half. I can write like this also. This is also right. So just have to look at board. Many information we get from this here. It shows 1 electron and that shows 1 electron. So total electron
2.
2. And how many electrons can be filled in first cell?
2.
Just tell me 2. So we are correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In first cell, how many electrons can be filled?
2.
2. And from this also we got we can fill only 2 electrons.
2.
And each value shows 1 electron. Understanding this?
Yes, sir.
All of you got it? Sound is not coming from your side.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
I wrote just
Yes, sir.
I wrote other question here. So we can change here. Okay, we will solve that. We will change. If L equal to, just okay, L equal to, so what will be the value of L? Just have to tell. What is the value of L? Just have to tell.
1.
What will be?
So 0, 1.
0.
And 1.
1.
All of you understanding this? Students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Minus 1, 0 plus.
this formula 0 to n minus 1 integer. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So just all of you see one more time I would like to tell you. Just here, if n value is given, n value is 2. For that, I will be 0 and minus 1, 2 integer. So first value I wrote 0 and n value is 2. So 2 minus 1 equal 1. I wrote this. Again, if I am doing 1 minus 1 equals 0. So twice we can't write. 0 will not be written twice. Okay. So got it? All of you got it? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now just let us say for m, if n value is 0, so m value will be 0. And for this, just let us say for this, how many values are possible? Who
Sir,
will,
minus 1, 0, 1.
who will tell me how many values and what are the values?
Sir, minus 1, 0, 1.
Minus 1, 0,
0 and 1.
and plus 1, not 1, plus 1. They means the right here side. So what is the value? Just let us see here. Minus 1, 0 and plus 1. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
And for this, we are going to calculate S value. So here what we have calculated? For each orbital, 2 values are possible, plus minus half. Okay? So
Yes,
let
sir.
me write here. We can write together. I can write here like this if I wrote. Would you understood this? If I wrote like this, would you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And for this also can be written plus minus half. Got it? Just have a look at board. And for that plus minus half, and for that also plus minus half. Just look see here. I'll have to understood this or not. Just if you have doubt, just tell me. I have shown orbital. Each orbital have two values, either plus half or minus half. So if we are not confirmed, we can write together. Yeah, plus minus half. In some more example, we will calculate exact value of all the quantum numbers. So just let us see here. So this shows 2 electron, that shows 2 electron, that shows 2 electron, that shows 2. So how many electrons are there?
8.
8.
Sir, 8.
8. How many electrons?
Sir, 8.
8.
Yes, sir.
And n equal to second cell. How many electrons can be filled in that? Maximum.
6.
How many electrons can be filled in second cell?
8 electrons.
8.
8.
Do you remember formally rule 2 square? Maximum electrons in a given cell can be filled according to this. So if we write it to just look here, 2 into 2 square. So what is 2 into 4 equal 8? So how many electrons? Maximum electrons can be filled in second cell.
8.
8.
How many?
Sir, 8.
8.
8. So how many electrons are here?
8.
Are here?
Sir, 8.
8 only? Are you satisfied with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next I am moving and you have to tell the value. Just all of you calculate the value of other quantum numbers if n equal 3. Just all of you calculate. I am waiting for you. Just all of you calculate. If n equal 3, other values all of you calculate and tell me. I will ask here. Just all of you calculate. Calculate it.
Sir, calculated.
How many have you calculated? Just thumb up. Those who have calculated, thumb up there. Thumb up. Yes. Pushpen, Aditi, Joe, and only 4, 5, 6, 4. Why number is decreasing? 3 now. What happened? Wrong. Just thumb up there. Yes. 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 Good. Only 6 students. Only 6 students. What about others? How many are live here? 25 students are live and only 6. What is your problem? Kabyans? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Have you calculated?
Sir, it's wrong. Not coming, sir.
Yes?
Not coming, sir.
Not coming. Why?
Or maybe wrong, sir. I don't know.
So you try to calculate now. When I am
Yes, sir.
asking, then you are telling.
Yes, sir.
This just simple formula I gave, and with the help of that you can calculate. Ashutosh Sharma, what about you? Ashutosh, unmute yourself. Ashutosh, are you listening? Ashutosh, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Akarshit Moria, what is your problem? Akarshit. So just allow to see those who have calculated, please solve this. And this video you should watch twice, thrice. Till that time you understood. Yeah. So just allow to see. I am not doing anything extra. I am not doing anything extra. What rule I wrote, I am following only. Now I am not asking anything extra from you. Okay. So what is this? Just allow to see here. So L equals what is the value? 0. Yes.
0, 1, 2.
1 and this is clear.
Yes, sir.
And for this M we can calculate so far that will be for 0 to 0. Got it? And here just also
Sir, -1, 0, +1.
more space. Okay, I am giving more space there. Just look here. Okay. So for this, what will be the value? What will be the value for
Sir,
this?
-1, 0,
-1,
+1.
0 and +1.
+1.
The value for this. And for that, what will be?
Sir, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2.
+1 and +2. Like this we will write here. Okay. And for S value we can write what is for is plus minus half. Plus minus half. Plus minus half. For plus minus, just let us see. For it. Plus minus half for it. Plus minus half for it. Plus minus half. Plus minus half and plus minus half. So just let us see here. We have calculated or not? Yes, students?
Yes, sir.
Sir, calculated.
Values. And this is homework if n equal 4 and n equal 5. Calculate all other quantum number. Just I am giving 2 questions and you have to solve and send my WhatsApp number. And everybody is knowing my WhatsApp number. Here. Calculate all the other quantum number for n equal 4 and n equal 5. All will solve this question and you will send on my WhatsApp number. And if you don't know my number, I am writing here, just note it and you have to send 998258998. This is my number, and after submit, you have to send this on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number also. Okay, so everybody has to send here. Understand this? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Both and twice and thrice you watch this video, and after that you solve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So time is up. I'm going to wind up the class. Okay, students.
Thank you, sir.
Those who have
Thank
doubt,
you, sir.
contact on this number also. If after this you have doubt, you can contact to me. I will explain once more. Okay.